to read English newspaper. Revolving door in Haryana. Tanwar back in Congress. The high voltage campaign for a cutthroat finish in Haryana for the October 5 assembly polls came to an end on Thursday evening. The ruling Bharatiya Janata Party suffered a major blow as its senior leader and former member of parliament Ashok Tanwar, who was the party's candidate from Sirsa for the Lok Sabha election a few months ago, rejoined Congress at a rally of Rahul Gandhi in Mahendragarh district in Haryana on Thursday. Interestingly, shortly before joining the Grand Old Party, the former Sirsa MP who represented it as a Congress member was campaigning for the BJP candidate in Safidon assembly constituencies. As Rahul Gandhi finished his speech, an announcement was made from the stage asking the audience to wait for a few minutes. To their surprise, Tanwar walked on to the stage and greeted Rahul. Tanwar, a former Haryana Congress president, shook hands with Rahul and greeted senior party leader and former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupendra Singh Hooda. Tanwar, who was considered close to Rahul and had left the Congress in 2019 following differences with senior party leader former Hooda, and in between he had his stint with Trinamool Congress as well as Aam Aadmi Party, leading the campaign for BJP Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the Congress stands for the guarantee of corruption, casteism, communalism, and nepotism. The PM exhorted people to vote for the BJP, saying it is important that they elect a government which strengthens India at a time when the entire world is looking at the country with hope and expectations. In his last speech for the campaign in Haryana, Rahul said his party will not let the hatred being spread by the BJP on the basis of religion, language, and caste win and appeal to the people of Haryana to ousted the ruling party in the assembly polls. More than 2 crore voters are eligible to exercise their franchise in Haryana for 90 assembly seats. The key parties in fray are BJP, Congress, AAP, Indian National Lok Dal, Bahujan Samaj Party, and Jananayak Janata Party. Azad Samaj Party, while BJP focused its election campaign on the works and performance of the double engine government, while it targeted the Congress on reservation, corruption, appeasement, and dynastic politics. Congress would by announcing seven guarantees, including the promises of a legal guarantee for MSP, a caste survey, and Rs 2000 per month to women if voted to power. On the last day of campaigning, Congress Rahul Gandhi and Bhupendra Singh Hooda, BJP's Yogi Adityanath, and Nayab Singh Saini, JJP's Dushyant Chautala, and INDL's Abhay Singh Chautala were among the prominent leaders who canvassed for their respective parties. AAP National Convener Arvind Kejriwal also campaigned in Haryana for his party. Thank you guys for watching this.